Welcome back! Today I'll be showing you how to make white chocolate peppermint bark. I feel like this should be a staple at every Christmas. So follow along as I show you how to make it.
You can either use small candy canes or large candy canes. I used around 8 small candy canes and had a tad extra left over in the end. Just remove them from their packaging and put them into a ziploc bag. I used a wooden spoon to break them into small pieces, but obviously you can use whatever you like.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of future videos.
Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And now you're ready to melt your chocolate chips. Pour them into a little pot. And constantly stir them until they're completely melted. Don't skip this step. Make sure you constantly stir them. After it's all melted, you can add the peppermint extract, about an 1/8 teaspoon, depending on how pepperminty you like it. Stir in your peppermint extract, and now pour your melted chocolate onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Switch to a rubber spatula to make sure you get every last bit of chocolate out of the pan. And then using your rubber spatula, spread it across your baking sheet. I like to make mine pretty thin, but if you prefer it thicker, go right on ahead. You can either leave the top smooth or put a little design in it by swirling it with your rubber spatula. Now you're ready to add the crushed candy canes on top. Next, just place the pan in the freezer until the chocolate is hardened. Once it has hardened, remove it from the freezer and break your peppermint bark into pieces. You can break them into whatever sizes you want. And that's it, you're now ready to enjoy your tasty, beautiful peppermint bark.
If you decide to make this recipe, please comment below and let me know how you liked it. And also comment and tell me your favorite Christmas dessert or one of your favorite Christmas traditions. I'd love to hear all about it, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season and Christmas.